So mounted the motor to a power bank. That seems to work just fine. And the motor is turning a worm gear that's then is turning this shoulder. And the idea is that I can make this, well, now I can't hold it, but it should be strong enough to actually hold this load for the shoulder. So far so good.